My azaleas have finished blooming in mid-spring, and I haven't pruned those bushes. I have been postponing it because there are so many other things you have to do in the garden in spring and summer. But is it the right thing to do? Hi, this is Ruchi, and let's talk about pruning your flowering perennial bushes at the right time. If you have a perennial bush that you use as a privacy hedge, maybe between your house and the road or between you and your neighbor, in that case, the main goal is that the hedge should stay neat and trim, a certain height, certain width. So as soon as it becomes unwieldy, you want to trim it off. That's the main goal, that you want to have a neat and trim hedge for privacy. Then you have other perennial bushes which you grow just for the foliage. You just give them a nice little shape and enjoy it like that. In that case also, it doesn't matter when you prune it, you just prune it whenever you think it is becoming unwieldy or it has dead wood or something like that. The issue comes when you have a perennial flowering bush. So you want to keep it neat and trim. You want to keep it in the space that you have, it shouldn't go unwieldy, and you want to remove dead wood. But the main goal you have is that you want to maximize the number of flowers. So you have to be a little careful on when you want to prune this bush. So the most important thing when pruning a perennial flowering bush is that you must know whether that bush blooms on the old wood or the new wood. Old wood means last year's growth, and new wood means this year's growth. For example, hibiscus bush, it grows flowers on new wood, meaning this year's growth. So in early spring, it will start to grow new stems, new growth, and late spring, summer, early fall, it will produce flowers. So if you prune that bush somewhere in mid-spring or late spring, you would have pruned off all those new fresh growth on which it was going to bloom. So you won't get any flowers. So for such bushes which grow flowers on this year's growth or new wood, the best time to prune is after they have finished blooming. So when hibiscus finishes blooming in late summer, then you can prune it off. Or you prune it very early in the spring before the fresh growth starts. So that way, the new growth hasn't started, so even if you pruned it off, there is no harm done, because fresh growth will come in spring and then you will get flowers in summer. For azaleas, they grow flowers on old wood. That means in summertime, they will grow fresh branches, fresh stems, in which the flower buds will set in. You won't see the flower buds at that time. They are just set into the stems. In fall and winter, they'll go dormant. And in early spring, the growth from last summer will start to give you flowers. So the fresh growth started in summer, fall and winter, they go dormant, and then early spring you will get flowers on azaleas. Now, if you prune azaleas in summer or fall or winter, you would have pruned off all that growth that was supposed to give you flowers in the spring. So you don't want that. So for these plants, the duration when you can prune them is very small. You should prune them once they have finished blooming. So azalea finishes blooming in spring, 3-4 weeks later, you prune it off if you want to make it smaller or there is dead wood or whatever, you prune it after they have finished blooming, but before the fresh growth starts. So that way you won't have pruned off the growth for the next season. So in both cases, you want to prune them after they have finished blooming, but before the fresh growth starts. Now, with bushes which grow flowers on new wood, that period is very long. That window is few months. So like if it finishes blooming in summer and it starts to produce new growth in next spring, you have 4, 5, 6 months. So you can prune it anytime. But for the bushes that grow flowers on old wood, that runway is very small. For example, azaleas, they finish blooming in early spring and they start fresh growth in summer. So you have to prune it between that window, 1 or 2 months, you have to prune it right there. So the window of pruning is smaller in case of the perennial flowering bushes which grow flowers on the old wood. So whenever you want to prune your bush, figure out if it blooms on the old wood or the new wood. And if it is too much of a hassle to figure it out, the safest bet is just prune them after they have finished blooming quickly, because you don't know whether you have a runway of 6 months or you have a runway of 2 months. So after they have finished blooming, just prune them off and then you are safe in both the cases. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.